Council voted to give first responders a $2,500 tax incentive to those who live and work in the city of Annapolis. It's Friday, August 11th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. This legislation provides police officers, firefighters, and 911 specialists with the $2,500 tax credit if they also live in the city. At this point, only 8 of the 250 police and fire employees actually own homes in the city. Home ownership among city workers is relatively low given the rising home prices and lack of inventory. Annapolis inventory continues to be constrained, although this week stock is up to 105 homes for sale. 37 are listed over $1 million, while only 4 homes are listed in the first-time homebuyer range. 24 homes hit the market since the last report. 23 homes are poised to hit the market soon. 9 homes went under contract and 6 went pending over the past week. 19 homes sold in the past week, selling in just 5 days at 101% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home that sold was in downtown for $1,450,000. There are 27 homes for lease in Annapolis at a median $3,050 per month and leasing in 11 median days. If you are a first responder and interested in learning about special mortgage programs available for purchasing your home, give me a call and let's chat. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 11th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe, and I'll see you next week.